Namaskar and welcome everyone on today's Know Your Dance episode. Today we are going to talk on Kathak dance. Kathak is one of the prominent Indian classical dance style which has come from the northern part of India. Katha kahe so Kathak kehlave. Kathakars, the storytellers. Kathak has a very flexible language of its own, abiding to Shastras, which is very much relatable and understandable by commoners. Maybe because of its foundation of history it carries along. It is traditionally regarded to have originated from the travelling bards of North India, referred as Kathakars or storytellers. Kathaka in Sanskrit means he or she who tells the story. The history of it is an evolutionary process of centuries, imbibing diverse influences, the time span of which can be divided into categories of pre-independence and post-independence of India. When we say pre-independence, it can be further classified into Mandir Parampara, Mughal Parampara and British era. Today, we'll get into a brief idea of Mandir Parampara. As we all know, India is predominated as a Hindu nation, followed by Hinduism. We had a great influence of it in era of Mandir Parampara on Kathak dance. Let's see a video showcasing it. A Saraswati Vandana choreographed by Nataraj Pandit Gopikishan ji, performed by my guru Dr. Madhuri Aptetai, who got an opportunity to learn from her guru Pandita Manisha Tai Sathe ji.
Sa भगवती
As we spoke earlier about traveling bards who used to travel from village to village reciting the stories of morals, passing on information of their experiences and what they have seen, Kathak took its shape and form first in Ayodhya and Nathadwara. They were called on to professional storytellers by temples to tell the mythological stories of Bhagavad Purana, Ramayana and Mahabharata, etc. The Kathakars, by time to make it more impact in their story communication, added rhythmic foot movements, hand gestures, facial expressions and eye work with the use of percussion instruments like pakvaj, mridanga and manjira. The dance was more mythologically oriented. The focus was god and goddesses. It was more inclined towards the bhakti ras. The moral lessons and teachings were through these recitings. We also see a great influence of Uttar Pradesh state's Ras Leela on Kathak dance. After Mandir Parampara, the invasion of Mughals in India had its other inevitable changes brought in the development in Kathak dance presentation and its form, which we'll get to know in our next upcoming video. As the foundation was laid back in Mandir Parampara and Mughal Parampara, what exactly happened in Mughal era? What kind of changes it brought into Kathak of what we see today? Let's have a glimpse of it. Thank you for watching us. We are pleased to answer if you have any doubts or queries. Please drop in comment section and we'll surely get back to you.